Hello everyone. This beautiful place is in front of Patuakhali Circuit House. There is a beautiful two-lane road and two huge ponds on the side. New trees have been planted on the newly constructed road, which has doubled the beauty of this road. Every afternoon a lot of people come here for a walk. All come here to enjoy this pleasant atmosphere. Everyone is busy taking pictures to capture the beautiful scenes on camera. I come here often. It's a wonderful place to spend time alone. The atmosphere here will impress you. It is also a good place to hang out with friends. There is a big pond where you can sit and talk and enjoy the nature. This beautiful scene will make your heart happy. In a word, it is like a heavenly place. Love nature and be at peace mentally.